Local news for Tuesday, the 28th of January. All three Wairarapa districts are now under immediate outdoor water bans. Mayor Alex Bayan from South Wairarapa says despite the call for the community to immediately cease using water outside and to conserve water generally, water consumption had reached critical levels over the weekend. He says over the weekend, water consumption reached the red zone, over 1,700 cubic metres per day. Mayor Bayan says it's getting hot and water conservation is our collective priority. Together, we can get it done. A petition to reopen a motocross track at Lake Wairarapa has so far recorded nearly 2,500 signatures. Those responsible for maintaining the track at Featherston's Lake Domain closed the track until further notice to avoid any potential health and safety incidents and allow for consultation on the future of the motocross track. And in sport, hot temperatures meant for tough conditions in last weekend's Jumbo Holdsworth run. Overall, Jeremy Upson was the top male finisher and Georgia Cassidy was the top female finisher. And well done to all those that took part. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.